Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time to make sure we have mastered flight controls and attitudes of flight. So let's get cracking. So friends, today is just going to be a watch, but hopefully this clears things up. So I'm going to take our attitudes of flight and I'm going to duplicate it because I want to make an adjustment. So real quickly, friends, there were 3 attitudes of flight. The first one was roll, where it's like you're rolling out of bed. The second one is yaw, which is spinning around this center post. And the third one is pitch, where you're either heading towards the ground or up in the air. The problem with my lesson here was I didn't really show you the control surfaces. We wrote down that it was the ailerons that do it, but I didn't show you that. So here's what I'm going to do. Real quickly, I'm going to ungroup my jets, and I'm going to delete these jets that don't show you the control surfaces. So I've still got my yaw, pitch, and roll, and I've got my little pins that show it. Now I'm going to bring in a new shape, which you guys may remember. If we go to the shapes selection, all I did was turn my airliner into a shape. Now it's pretty complex, so you need to wait a second for it to show up. And then it's also pretty large, so I'm going to shift shrink until it fits. You'll notice it's aimed the wrong direction, so I am going to flip it just like that. So if I move it to the center of that pin, it is now ready to do roll. I'm going to take that and do Control D. And let's nudge it over with the arrow keys to get it so it's in the right spot for yaw. Remember, it has to be in the middle. And then lastly, one more Control D. And let's make sure this is lined up for pitch. Remember, we were aiming for the center of the wing because that's where pitch will be oriented from. Because of the size of my cool little jet, I'm going to move those just a little bit. And I'm going to regroup them. Let's run through these again. We have got roll, which thank goodness jet airliners don't actually roll all the way around. That is controlled by the ailerons. Remember, they are on the wing tips. We have got yaw, which is when it rotates around that center in this direction. This is caused, or this is affected most by the rudder. We made these little notes. I will bring them back by the piece. Let's make sure that's the right one. Nope, this is the yaw note, so we'll put it right on the pin where it moves. This is the rudder. So let's put this back on the purple rudder of this aircraft. And then this one right here, let's find it is pitch. And it is controlled by these elevators in the back. And when you do pitch, it is when it is aimed at the ground or it is aimed up. That is roll, pitch, and yaw. And then real quickly, we've got ailerons. The yellow ones are the flaps. These green ones are the elevator, and the purple is the rudder. Those are your control surfaces. We have also got the wing, which is also called an airfoil, and it works because of the sweet Bernoulli effect. This is a horizontal stabilizer, because it's horizontal to the ground. This is a vertical stabilizer, and of course the large center is the fuselage, and these little dudes in front are the engines. So my friends, I hope that clears up parts of an airplane, attitudes of flight, and the 4 forces of flight. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.